Somebody wrote on the walls, they're gonna get in trouble. Valentine.
Oh, Carl, this is so sweet.
Thanks. I sprayed it with my dad's cologne. It's called Bunyan Bee Gum. Yeah, for once and probably the only time in my life, I'm a winner. See how new it is? Amy and she need me. I can't let them down. Miss Fowl, can I never, ever not be disexcused sometimes? Stop! Nobody move!
Good call, Carl. But how did you know this hall was rigged with pressure sensors?
I didn't. I just thought we could use a snack. Goodbye, Moon! I'll see you next June! Cause I'm looking for a student!
Carl! Enough with the song!